Okay. Actually looks like it's working. Hang on. Let's turn that. Alright. Hopefully we're getting... I think we're getting enough pressure. 27 degrees, 28 degrees.
Oh, it's getting warm!
28 degrees. Have we got hot water?
We got warm water.
We got warm water.
It's up to 30.
Oh, 31. Come on, push it. Push it real good. Push it real good.
33.
33. We're going to 33.
Putting the Sasha in at 33.
I can't push her any faster, Captain. That's a really bad accent, that.
Yes,
Oh, that was really bad. 33 degrees.
Now turn it off so they're not nice and water sweating.
Hang on. 33 degrees. Let's turn that up to max. Okay. Water up to max.
No, not all the water up to max.
Okay, maybe water to min. Okay. Burners up to high. Oh, look at that. See the burners burning? 34 degrees. Is it warm?
Yes, it is. Oh, it's hot now.
Feel that.
Far out. Let's get what?
Oh.
That'll do for a shower.
Hey, that's better than a bird bath, ain't it, honey?
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, there we go.